Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious Filipino-style sopas. First, gather your ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. You will need 1 pound of chicken breast, cut into small cubes, and 1 cup of elbow macaroni. Also, prepare 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 4 cups of rich chicken broth. Do not forget 1/4 cup of evaporated milk and 1/2 cup of shredded cabbage for that perfect creamy texture. Let us start by heating 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in your large pot using medium heat. Sauté the minced garlic first until it is fragrant, then add your chopped onion, cooking until it becomes translucent. Next, introduce the 1 pound of cubed chicken breast to the pot. Cook the chicken until it is lightly browned on all sides, ensuring it is cooked thoroughly before moving forward with the recipe. Now, pour 4 cups of rich chicken broth directly into your pot with the fragrant chicken and aromatics. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Add 1 cup of elbow macaroni, stirring it gently to ensure it does not stick to the bottom of the pot. Continue cooking the macaroni for about 7 to 10 minutes or until it is perfectly al dente, ready for the next additions. Focus on the legitimate and fun ways to build your knife collection with an MM2. Opening mystery crates is a popular method, offering a chance at obtaining rare and unique items. You can also actively participate in special seasonal events and complete challenges to unlock exclusive knives that cannot be found elsewhere. Trading with trusted players is another excellent way to exchange items fairly, ensuring both parties benefit and no one loses their valuable assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.